my YouTube channel, As Seen by Cherie. As you can see, I have some potatoes going here. I'm going to do my deviled eggs. And okay, this is what it looks like currently. Okay, so I have taken the potatoes out of the boiling water, put them in cold water to stop cooking, and then I have cut them, peeled them, and I have scooped out some of the inside of the potato, and I will be making my deviled egg ingredients in here. Okay, I have scooped out each one of the potatoes. Now it's time for me to make my filling. I have my filling here. I have my vegan mayonnaise here. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon and add that into my mixture. And then I'm going to add my mustard. Just a couple squirts. A teaspoon of turmeric. Give it that orangey look. Sweet relish. 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to mix everything together. This is how it should look after you have mixed it up. I'm going to put this in a plastic bag and pipe it into, okay, I have piped each one and put some paprika on top, and this is the finished product. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, As Seen by Cherie. Until next time.